Hey everyone, TechNoman here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone continuity camera not working. You want to follow these steps to fix it, so let's get started. The first thing you want to do is put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off, and that does a quick network refresh to make sure the connectivity is working. Now the next thing you want to do is go into your setting on your iPhone and then go to General and then go into AirPlay and Continuity. And from there on, you want to ensure this setting continuity camera is actually turned on. If it's actually turned off, it's not going to work. Basically, it will allow your iPhone as a webcam for your Mac. So make sure this setting is turned on. You can always turn it off, turn it back on just to get it refreshed. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to do from the main settings here is you're going to go to General again. And then this time you want to check out if you have any VPN turned on. VPN is going to block those connections. So you need to turn off your VPN, or if you want, you can also delete it and then reinstall it later. But VPN will also interfere with that camera continuity with your Mac, so make sure that is turned off. Now, along with that, the next thing you want to go ahead and check out is on your MacBook, this setting, which I'm going to show you now. So on your Mac, what you're going to do is go into your Apple or your system setting or system preference if you have an older Mac, and then you want to check out for the Bluetooth connection that is connected to your phone. So here I have Bluetooth, and then Bluetooth is turned on. You want to make sure that is turned on. Same on your device. You want to go into your settings here under Bluetooth. You want to go ahead and make sure they are connected here. It'll take a moment here. So as you can see here, my iPhone, I'll hit connect here and make sure it is connected on your device. You're going to want to pair. Make sure the pairing happens again to reconnect it to make sure it is working, and when it's connected, it should work for you. Now, if that didn't work for you, the last thing to do is on your iPhone, what you're going to do is go in your main settings, go to General, go all the way down here, transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, and you're going to do a network reset. And then you're going to enter your phone with passcode, and basically it will get all of the settings for network, like anything you connected to, any Bluetooth devices, any Wi-Fi devices will get reset, and then you'll do the same step to reconnect them, and that should go ahead and fix that camera continuity not working on your iPhone. And that's how you should do it. I hope this video helped you guys fix that issue, and if you found another better fix as well, do share it in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.